5 million house in Beverly Hills in Hollywood? I started getting these questions all the time on all my social media as soon as I moved to Los Angeles. What's the house about? What are you doing there? How much are you paying for this? So I decided to feed two birds with one piece of bread. First of all, I will show you the whole house and I will explain you how much exactly I'm paying for this house and why I'm paying this amount. Let's go, let's check the house. Let's check 5 million mansion if you want to buy it.
You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like.
The area is absolutely amazing. It's so central. It's about 10-15 minutes to Beverly Hills sign, and if you want to walk to Walk of Fame Street, the most popular street in Los Angeles and Hollywood, it's about 30-40 minutes depending how fast you walk. And I have two massive supermarkets about 20-30 minutes next to this house. I have Whole Foods in about 20 minutes and I have amazing YOUR one, my absolutely favorite place for now, in about a 30 minutes walk. So I came here 3 weeks ago and I didn't get a car. I'm doing everything by walk, but next time when I'm coming in February, I will definitely rent a car to explore the area a little bit more. But for now, 3 weeks with no car, living in this area with squirrels running around all the time, I feel absolutely fine. This is the best perk of this house. 3 weeks, no car needed. The area itself is so quiet. It's not too many people around, as you can see, and it's super safe. I can go jogging even evening time and nothing is bothering me. But if I walk down the street for about 10 minutes, I will have all these nice shops and my favorite coffee shop where I'm usually starting my morning. So it's perfect. The location is absolutely superb. Enough about the location. Let's check the house. Guys, this is 5 million house in Hollywood, in Los Angeles. This is LEAH, my terrible friend. I'll ask her permission to be presented on this video because she's an actress in Hollywood and it's another reason why the prices at this amount. If you want to know exactly how much I'm paying for this place, stay with me until the end and I will tell you all truth. But for now, I know you're dying to see 5 million, 5 bedrooms mansion in Hollywood. Be my guest. Wow. I can't believe I'm living here. But I am for almost a month. So this is the front door. Nice front door. And then right here we have a guest bathroom. Guest bathroom it is. Next to the guest bathroom we have closet. Storage space for useful things like mops and everything for the house. Or maybe it's for naughty people who's misbehaving in the house, so they have to stay at night here. Guest room. My absolutely favorite mirror. My super Instagrammable stairs. This is where everything started. Everyone started asking like, where the hell you live? You just moved to Los Angeles. Why the hell you have 5 million mansion? Sorry guys. Miss Golden gets what she wants. Like, absolutely look at this space. Guys, honestly, I'm coming from London and a 2-bedroom apartment in the building I used to live is about 2.5 million pounds, right? In London, in central London, and the space, believe me, is going to be maybe a tenth of what you see here. So me personally, I understand the value of this house. To pay 5 million for this area, for this space, for everything you need is inside the house. So I do understand why people here in Los Angeles paying this amount of money to get this. I love it. Okay, so this part I don't really use much. There's billiard situation, pool, American pool, I guess, and baby food. Not a big fan. But that space, I am using. And the same thing as in London. I never switched the TV in London for 1 year. Same. I have no idea how it works, but I have it just in case. What I'm usually using this sofa is my creative support. So every evening I'm coming here right on that corner with my laptop to edit my videos, to write my creative things, like a checklist for you guys. I'm going to attach to this video. Yes, I finally, first I finished my travel to Europe guide, what to have, what to avoid, and also I finished 100 motivation, like a little calendar of motivation to motivate you for every single day. So if you want to know which sort of quotes and which sort of motivation I'm using every single day in my life, please download it. It's in the description of this video. It's absolutely free, and I really hope it will also motivate you for much better things in your life, and it will improve your life to get like this. Believe me guys, 10 years ago I could not even imagine that one day I would end up living in 5 million mansion in Beverly Hills. And this is how I separate this part of the house. This is my desk to work. I'm working here. I love that mirror again. Actually, it's quite a cool trick to have your calls while you're watching yourself, because this is the best way to control your emotions. Guys, I just started running my own business. I'm running 2 companies, and I have a team of almost 10 people. I'm hiring 2 additional ones. And sometimes when something goes absolutely wrong, and many things went totally wrong during these 3 weeks of me staying here, when you check yourself in the mirror, you can really control your emotions. You can control your anger. You have more time to think what you're going to say next. So guys, if you want to improve your self-control, controlling your emotions, just put the mirror in front your desk where you work. I guarantee in 1 month you will not recognize yourself. And here, right behind me, we have the space kitchen. I don't cook here, but I have all my food over here. I love this kitchen. The size is amazing. When I finally convince my second part that really we need to consider moving to Los Angeles, at least for 3, 4, 6 months, in a year, I'll start cooking here. Promise, I will start cooking, because I really love American style of kitchen. You have so much space here. Love it. And then, oh, let's get out my favorite part. Absolutely favorite part. Ta-da! The pool. The pool, which I used literally once. Guys, you cannot imagine, I'm currently a little bit too busy with all these goodies for you. I'm creating a course with my best friend in San Francisco, because she also moved to the US 8 years ago, and she is, attention, VP of Meta. So we're going to start running open master classes. You can also find the link below, where we will be discussing our happy cases, me living in 7 countries, including Scandinavia plus Norway, and she will be telling how to move to San Francisco, how to land a job like Google, Amazon, Meta, YouTube, maybe. So all these sort of jobs, and basically both successful cases. And when you come there, you can ask us any questions you want, like anything you literally want to know, we will answer them all. We will be running them every week for now. Let's see how it goes, but I'm leaving you all the information in the description. And guys, for those of you who will attend our 5 free of charge masterclasses, will get an amazing present from us. You will love it, I guarantee. So if you're planning to move from one country to another, and you're considering moving especially to Scandinavia or to the US, to San Francisco, to California, you absolutely must visit this webinar, this open masterclass. So let's just talk together. Let's find out what's your major pains, major issues, major scares, fears, all of these things. And we will definitely inspire, motivate you, and give you vital information of how to not just move from one country to another, but move this way, like this way. That's the difference. Masterclass is there. And oh, this sport, guys, you won't believe it. So this sport here, I'm starting every day from sitting there and meditating, because lots of things are going wrong, really wrong right now. And the best way to calm my mind is to meditate. And I'm a little bit stressed these days. That's why every morning for 30 minutes I am meditating there. If you say to me now that, oh my God, I don't have 30 minutes to meditate every day, guys, if you feel like you don't have time to meditate, this is the key signal that you must start meditating. Absolutely must. And in 1 month you will not recognize yourself. Any questions, let me know. But guys, start meditating. It will improve your life, your sleep, everything, big time, promise you. And this is our little party table. They came across yesterday, so okay, I will clean it a little bit after, but you got the idea. But also that space is also my creative working spot, where I'm writing all my creative parts and preparing for these master classes and preparing guides for you, which you can find in the description to this video. They are for free. Please download them and enjoy. And the atmosphere is so nice. So first of all, I want to say thank you to this house for hosting me, because these 3 weeks already changed my life entirely. And question, how much I'm paying for this place? You will never believe it. Ta-da-da-dan, ta-dan. Nothing. Yes, I'm staying here for free because I met LEAH, the girl. She's an actress here, and well, we became friends. And how did we meet? Social media, guys. Ta-da! So Instagram first, and second the app, a new app where we just met and became friends. I will tell you about this app a little bit later, but if you want to have a similar experience, or you're running events or something in Hollywood, in Los Angeles, and you are interested in this place, you can ask her directly. But for now, answering your questions, I am staying in $5 million mansion in Beverly Hills for free. This is the life. Don't ask me, but if you want something, just go and get it, guys. That's the truth of life. Thank you so much for staying with me today. I hope you enjoyed our little house tour. If you still have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. I'll be happy to answer them all. Stay safe, be happy, super happy. And as our tradition goes, I will see you next week, guys. Hopefully from the same house again. Love you so much. See you later, guys. Bye.
To be happy, you can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary.